So today we are going to be learning about volume. We're going to be learning about volume, all of these different shapes that we see up here. So there's going to be 3 total videos that you need to watch. So the first thing that we're going to learn about is volume of prisms. So we've already kind of talked about what some of these letters represent, so we're going to continue and review them. So volume is B, capital BH. So we're going to multiply the area of the base by the height connecting the 2 bases, or the height of the entire figure. So the first thing that you're going to do is locate the base of the shape and highlight it. Then you're going to locate the height of the prism and circle it. This is so that you can kind of get rid of all of the numbers that you don't need. Then you are going to find the height of the base. So what it says here is it is perpendicular. It is the perpendicular distance from the base to the vertex. So if you have a triangle, no matter which direction this triangle is facing, the height is going to be this line right here. And then the base will be right here. So we're going to multiply the height by the base. Remember, we're only talking about our base shape here. For triangular prisms, we're going to divide by 2. Volume is always in units cubed. Or it might be centimeters cubed or inches cubed, something along those lines. So now I'm going to do one practice problem of each, and then you will do the other one on your own before you continue on to the next videos. So triangular prisms, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to highlight the base, which is a triangle. So we're going to highlight these 2 triangles. The next thing that our note said to do is circle the height of the figure, which is the distance between the 2 bases. In this case, it's going to be 10 centimeters. The shape of the base is a triangle. So now we want to find big B. You can find big B the same way we did for surface area, where we rewrote the shape to the side and then calculated it. So we know that it's going to be 1/2 base times height. This is going to be 1/2 times 16 times 12. So then it ends up being 96 centimeters squared. And then we have the height of the whole figure, which is 10 centimeters. So if we do 96 times 10, we're going to get 960 centimeters cubed. And we're going to box our final answer. So really, volume is much simpler than surface area because you're just multiplying the area of the base by the height of the figure. All right, so now let's look at our rectangular prisms over here. Remember I told y'all that I like to make the base of those be the top and the bottom because it's easier for me to visualize. So I'm going to draw this base shape down here. And I know the shape of my base is a rectangle. So if I look at this whole thing and I find the area of it, I'm doing 20 times 8. 20 times 8 is going to give me 160 centimeters squared. So over here, I have 160 centimeters squared. If I highlight the base of the whole thing, I get 16. So my height is 16 because that's the distance between my two bases. And then I multiply 160 times 16, and I get 2,560 centimeters cubed. So I want you to pause the video right now and do the last two problems on your own. You can come back once you're done solving and check the answers. So the answer to this one should be 174.19 centimeters cubed. So our volume for this one is 120 feet cubed. It's asking how many trips it must take to deliver 300 cubic feet of sand. So if I divide 300 by 120, it's going to be about 3 trips. That should be your answers. Make sure you got those right. If you have questions, please let me know.